Okay, guys. So, so today we'll be looking at the financial market. I'm coming. Just let me put on my. So today we'll be looking at the financial market. So, sorry, guys. Sorry, just a message. So let's start from the DXY. That's from the dollar index. This is what controls the dollar base pair and dollar put square. Okay. Sorry, please let me. I have to take out some drawings. So, as a day trader that we are, so we'll be looking at this from the daily time frame to know the overall trend. The overall trend is saying bullish, as we all know, saying bullish. Yeah, so the overall trend is saying bullish. The overall trend is saying bullish, bullish. I know what the bullish trend is. The bullish trend, the market is making series of higher highs and then higher lows, something like this. You know, so you will call our low, our high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is a simple basic market structure. We have what they call the advanced market structure, but this is a simple basic market structure. So now the advanced market structure is this whereby know you have this you have this all these kind of things. You have this to the upside again, to the upside, like that. Market is just doing this. Market is just doing this. Comes back to the upside again. But it's not every time a market will give you this because the market is funny. Market will surely show different patterns every day. So with that aside, so so today we're looking at DXY. We want to see where DXY is going to, because trust me, if you can have an idea of where DXY is going to, right? That means that you actually know where um, where what dollar base pair is also heading to. Are you with me, guys? So that's it. So that's it. So as we know, this is a uptrend. We have a previous resistance here to be support right now, but as an SMC trader that we are SMC trader. We are not a traditional price action trader. I don't know if you get my point. I'm not a traditional price action trader, a smart money concept trader. So that's what we'll be using today. So, so we know this thing is called liquidity. This is liquidity. Relative equal lows, relative equals lows. It's called liquidity. This is our break of structure, because for me this is still the lower low. This low is still lower than this low. I don't know if you can see it, right? This low is lower than this low. So so this is our break of structure here, because as a matter of fact, this low, this low. Okay, okay. When this high, this is no higher than this high. So let's just leave it like this. So this is our break of structure. So this is our weekly break of structure. This is our weekly break of structure. We know that already. So this is our weekly break of structure. So what you're looking for the other block, maybe the price is going to come into use. For me, I can't really see any other block here. But I'll make a video whereby I'm going to explain all these things word for word. I'll explain everything, bring everything. I'll explain everything to us all. So for me, I've saved all my own. I've saved all my presets. I don't know if you understand me. I've saved all my presets here. So this is called inducement. What's an inducement? I won't do that in this video. So just like I've said, I'll make a video whereby I'm going to be teaching all that. So so this is our lower low. This is our lower low. This is our this is our recent lower low. Yes, recent lower low. This is our recent higher high right now. Oh, sorry guys, I just made a mistake. This is our recent higher low. This is it is called higher low just because the market is trending up. The market is an uptrend market, so that's why it's called higher low. Now this is our recent higher high. This is where buyers, people that will be entering from this point, that will be entering right from this point. This is where they are going to be looking to take their profit. So buyers that will be entering from this point, buyers that will be entering from this point, buyers that will be entering right from this point here, right from this point here. So this is where they'll be looking to take their profit at this high, at this high. They'll be looking to have to take their profit from this at this high. Are you with me, guys? So having mapped out the FBG, FBG can also be used as a point of entry. Can also be used as a POI. Can also be used as a POI, as a point of interest. POI means point of interest. Point of interest can also be used as a point of interest, but they call it entry. But for me, I call it POI. So for me, my FVG is my point of interest. My FVG is my point of interest. This is my FVG right here. This is my point of interest. Okay, fine like this. So my FVG is my point of interest. My point of interest. What I'll just be doing now is whatever that is happening right here does not concern me. I'll just wait. Are you with me, guys? I'll just wait. Although trust that I cannot wait right now because this is a weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame, and if I like, if I say I should wait for price to get here, that would take like 2 years. That would take like 2 years, and I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out on this fantabulous sale that's going to happen till we reach here. I don't want to miss out on that. See, I don't want to miss out on that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really angry right now. I need to eat. See, I don't want to miss out on that. On this sale. So, so having known this is the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we know where the price is coming to, and from there, then we know where price is going to again. So from here, price is coming here, the big upside. Let me make it bigger. So this is what. So this is what this price is doing on the weekly time frame. So let us expect more tank, more clash on DXY. Now, if DXY is crashing, it means that what GBP G is going to be buying, E is going to be buying, E is going to be buying. What other pair is based with dollar again? They'll be buying. G is going to be buying, E is going to be buying, E is going to be buying. XAUSD has currently been buying, despite the fact, yeah, actually, it's just corresponding though. XAUSD has currently been bullish, and I'm going to also check that. So, so dollar quote pair two, quote pair. That's as for UC USDCAD USDCAD. It will be selling as also for USDJPY. It will also be tanking if DXY is tanking. Are you with me right now? So let's go. So DXY from the end of this year, DXY should just sell. Just expect it sell to this point, to this LVG, to this LVG. Let's just expect it sell. So let's continue. Let's continue. So we're going to the what? to the daily time frame right now. So the daily time frame, oh wow, I love this, I love this, I love this, I love this, I love this. So as you can see on the daily time frame right here, what's going on here? We have so many. Mind you, you see all these other blocks, right? All these other blocks. Market is going to use them later in the future. All these other blocks, market is going to use them later in the future for only retracement. Because trust me, let me give you an instance now. So see what happened right here. So let's take for instance, this is too big. I can't work with this. I'm sorry, it's too big. I can't work with this. I can't work with this. Let's do two. Correct. So let's so take for instance now. So what's happening right here? Market is in a downtrend. The market now breaks structure. Now, as this market has broken structure, it has given us a other block here. We have like one other block here already. Now, now, price now failed to reach this other block and has sold off. Does not mean that this other block is not going to be. Price is going to use this other block. It might not be now, but later in the future. Price price might not use this other block. This one. Price might not use it now, but it's going to use it later in the future. So let's continue. So let's say as 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 the as market keep tanking like that. So so we have what they call change of character. So whereby so here now market has now used this other block now. But market only use this other block as a selling pressure to only come back to this. I don't know if you are following me to come back to this other block that was just created here. To this other block here, right here. I'll show you to this other block right here. So market now just put it, I just allow price to just sell back into this other block. Then the next thing, so the bullish other block takes over, makes this one what? Breaker block, whatever they call it. But it's called breaker block, though. So it's not as if whatever they call it, it's called breaker block. So that's it. So that's what I'm trying to tell you right here. So as you can see on the daily time frame now, this market is currently on a downtrend. It's currently selling. It's currently selling off. It's currently selling off. We have so many different. We have so many break of structures. There's a break of structure right here that gives us rather gives us this other block. This other block is too big. I like to refine it. Just let me trust. So this is so what I've just done is I've just refined my other block. I've just refined it. So you can see now. So on the daily time frame, we have a what? This is an other block here. This is the other block here. The last buy candle before the drastic sell, or the last sell candle before the drastic buy. So this is a bearish order block. The last buy candle before the drastic sell. It's just like a bearish engulfing candlestick and a bullish engulfing candlestick. But in the smart money concept world, we call it order block because that's where huge 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 what's it called huge money huge orders were accumulated together and skyrocketed the price or like make the price tank whatever it is whatever it is guys. I'm meeting happy so that we can be happy. Yay, I'm papa so happy. So let's keep going. Mm-hmm. So don't forget that your daily time frame must do what? It must align to the weekly time frame. And the 4 hours time frame must align with the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. Are you with me, sir? So that's how it is. So right now, so we're expecting this to just give us this slight move like this. into this other block. Uh, the controlling selling break structure, give us another other block here. In price, we just do what? We just probably retrace um, like that. So it's like that. You see. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Sorry guys, I'm having messages. I know. So all right. Ah, this 4 hour time frame, I don't understand what's going on here. This 4 hour time frame, I really don't understand. So it's looking like a inverse head and shoulder, but I don't trade chart pattern. I, I'm not saying it's not something. I'm not saying it's bad. I usually trade it before, but ever since I learned SMC, that's smart money concept, I stopped trading chart pattern. Well, anyhow, that's rubbish. That trend line is rubbish. So let's go. I can't say anything that is happening here. Although the reason I can see is a break of structure right here. I can't see any valid POI. I can't see any fair value gap. I can't see any other block. I can't see any even liquidity circle is missing there. There's no liquidity there. This this fair value gap. Price has used it but not fully well. Not fully well. So price might just maybe just come and take out some liquidities. Like from here, price will just come back, take out some liquidities, like the upside, then just keep doing what it has to do. Let's go to the 1 day time, 1 hour time frame right now. On the 1 hour time frame, looks like DXY is bearish on the 1 hour time frame. Honestly, I don't even know what's going on here. So we'll just stay on the daily time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, for us to be on the safe side. So, on the weekly time frame, we know what we're looking for. We know that the weekly time frame is what? Bullish. Market has shifted from bearish to what? To bullish. So this is our recent higher low, higher high. And here, over here, we have our fair value gap, which is our POI, that's our point of interest. So, so moving on to where to the daily time frame, we saw that everything is aligning. We're expecting price to reach that our weekly fair value gap, and price is currently doing that by what? By trending downwards into the fair value gap. So that fair value gap is just like is a magnetic force. I don't really so that fair value gap here is a magnetic force, like it's pulling price down into it. So it's more like it taking out liquidity. And don't forget that liquidity is the market fuel. That is what moves the market. More liquidity, more market moves. So that's it. So over here in the daily time frame, we have a block of structures. We have market is trending down, giving us so many fair value gaps. The market has not even come back to fill. Other blocks have not been sold. Other blocks has just been there. Although